Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalu. Today we are going to do a fall table escape. I would love it if you stick around so you can see the finished product. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to be making the announcement for the giveaway and all the information that you're gonna need to participate. Please stay tuned for that. We are starting with this Glam placemat that I got from Century 21. They were $19 each. No, they are not plastic, but they do have a water protectant barrier. Next, we're gonna be using these crystal clear chargers with gold rim. They are from Amazon and I am in love with them. I don't remember how much the chargers cost. I will put the link. Do you see how cute they are? For dinner plates, we are using these from Home Goods. They were $3.99. These cute little babies are $3.99 from Home Goods as well. They have a gold brownish rim, like a copper color. On a side note, I would like to say, welcome to the Glam Squad family. Here I am all about creating my beautiful, glam, and happy home. Please take this opportunity to subscribe and hit your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. Moving on with these bowls, they are from Home Goods for $3.99. Yeah, I know I like them fancy. Now, this is the dilemma. In all of my glasses set, I only have 4 or 5 maximum. Whenever I do a table escape, I have to do mix and match. As much as I like mix and match, but sometimes I like having uniform as well. So hopefully soon I will find new sets of glasses that I really like. I cannot wait. Just in case if you were wondering what the barcode looked like, this is what it looks like now. These are the napkins that we are going to be using. They are from Home Goods. Let me show you how I fold them. Voila, I have a chic folded napkin. Let's do it one more time so you guys can see it, but this time we're going to fast forward it. Gold utensils are from Home Goods, and that's what I'm going to use. The flowers in the vase are from Joann. You may have seen them on my last video. The pumpkins are from Macy's Backstage. I'm using 2 rose gold tea light candle holders. This time we are keeping the centerpiece very simple and budget friendly. Some of the items on this table, I was able to find similar one on Amazon. I will include the links in the description box, including the furnitures for the dining room. The links will be in the description box as well. If you try to duplicate this look, you can include a tray or a warner as part of the centerpiece. As for me, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Also, we recently did a makeover in this everyday dining room. Feel free to check the video out. While you're at it, check out my 4 living room decor video. Today we're finally gonna get to talk about the giveaway. We just reached 6,500 subscribers. Thank you so much to all of you for all of your support and your love. I am beyond grateful. You guys are the best. Now for the giveaway, we have 2 prizes. The first one is a $50 gift card from Amazon, and it is for anyone who has been supporting me for the past 2 months or so. If you are a subscriber, you have been putting comments and liking my videos, you will be randomly selected from the comment section. We will reach out to you through the comment section to let you know that you win the giveaway. Now, with this one, you don't have to do anything. Just stay still. You already did all the work you're supposed to do. This is my way of saying thank you to you. For the second prize is a $50 gift card from Amazon as well. It's for anyone, but you have to be a subscriber. Existing Glam Squad, new Glam Squad, you have a chance to win. And yes, you can win twice. All you have to do, take today's video, share it on Facebook, and tag 3 friends. Also tag me, Glam Style with Dalu, okay? Click in this link below. It is going to be in the description box to enter your information so we can reach out to you once you become the winner. So please check out your subscription to make sure that I will be able to see that you're subscribed. On September 7th at 11:59 p.m., the giveaway will end. And on the 8th, we will be announcing the winner for both prizes. Okay guys, thank you so much. I hope you love your prize, and also I hope you liked today's video. Give it a thumbs up and make sure you share it with everybody, okay? And on my next video, we are going to be doing something on the Glam dining room. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but it is going to be something. I look forward to seeing you there. I love you. Bye.